Good evening and welcome back to Paisa Bolta. The gems and jewelry business, which I've been tracking for quite a bit and talking in my other channel, is seeing a new competition. I already own three of these companies. One is Tangamail, the other is Titan, and the third, of course, is Kalyan Jewellers. In the order of priority, I would prefer Titan, then Tangamail, and then Kalyan Jewellers. And India is a gold crazy country, and therefore, sales of gold will increase. It is not as if that this new player is going to manufacture. He is going to buy from the manufacturers, brand it and sell it. And he will have his own design team, which will give orders for manufacturing. All he needs is muscle money, power to buy the gold, and set up retail units. He has experience in selling fashion and he's also got experience in acquiring companies very cheap. So we are looking at a new player. The new player is none other than Kumaramangam Birla, this coin of the Birla family. He has Indalco, which is his main company, Ultratech Cements, and of course he has Pantaloon and AB Fashions. He makes Louis Philippe and other shirts. Peter England is also his brand. He also owns Madura Coats, and he has been selling fashion, but he sells to the upper middle class, and the what I consider the lower middle classes. And he has had a successful run in retail. His major competition has been from Raymond's and other foreign brands. So this is what Aditya Birla does. The third big player I missed telling is Arvind Fashions, who is the next player in this. And he also has AB Capital, which has been struggling for some time. Very surprisingly, he has done not well in his insurance business and mutual funds business. I have no idea of how AB Fashions does, but the big portion of AB Fashions came when he bought Pantaloon from Kishore Bayani. Again, not a premium brand, a lower end brand.
Standardized brands.
Okay, which is not a very high end brand. So this is like there is Tata has Titan, Tanishq has one gold, and then they have an ordinary gold for
Normal people,
normal
Carrot Lane,
people.
like that.
So, and they have got Carrot Lane.
Yes.
Tangamail is my personal friend, as you know. And I asked him why Tanishq is number one. So he said, Tanishq is never number one in any market, but he is present in all markets.
Across segments.
So he is number two, number one, number three in other markets, or number two and number three. And sum of all is number one. And they have been there for a long time now, more than 15 years.
Yes.
They have understood the market well, and they are now riding on top. And about 10 years back, they bought Carrot Lane also, which we discussed, which is also their online business.
They're trying to acquire the entire store.
No, but they've already got 72.
Yes.
So there is nothing to worry about
The remaining stake with the promoters.
but they will buy it back at a later date. So Aditya Birla is now going to muscle into this business. This business still is run by largely unorganized players. Whether this company will be able to get in and break into the organized sector is something that I have to wait and watch. They are called, the name I don't like.
No,
It should have an Indian name if you want to succeed. Kalyan is an Indian name. Tangamail is an Indian name. And this
Titan.
Titan is not an Indian name.
It's the
Titan is an English name. Tanishq is an Indian name.
Yes, sir.
So I do not know whether novel will work. For English speaking people like me, novel is a good name. Whether it is for the Hindi speaking Indian name, I don't know. And Tanishq even struggled to make a presence felt in markets like India, in Madras, which is a huge market for regional brands. You had Kumaran Gold House, you have Lalita Jewelry,
You have a lot of
you have
competitors.
GRT,
And more unorganized players are there.
more organized players in both Kerala and Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
So Kerala and Tamil Nadu are big gold markets. So I do not know whether he will be able to get in here. Even in North, there are a lot of unorganized players. This is a challenge which and I don't think he will succeed because he had a company called More, in which he said he's going to do organized retail and compete with Spencer's and others.
But he couldn't.
He couldn't, and he left. He sold the company to Amazon, and Amazon shut it down. Whereas Tata had a problem with Star Bazaar, but they didn't quit the business. They closed down the unprofitable stores and still are running in some places.
Okay.
Star hypermarkets.
Star Hypermarket.
So I do not know whether he will be able to muscle it in.
But he is investing some 5,000 crores into this business.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's a
So
huge
he's claiming.
capital. He's claiming to.
The other problem for him is this is the time he's going to launch into paints.
Yes, sir. 2 years back, he has launched some paints as well as B2B e-commerce in
Yeah, but it's paint. I don't know what's his brand.
Yes, sir. The large market players, Asian.
Asian Paints is there. JSW has made 1,000 crores, but it is selling to its own group.
Yes, sir.
So JSW has not made a big impact. I don't know what big impact he is going to make in paints. Then he is saying he'll sell building materials, B2B,
B2B.
because he is going to sell like Ultratech Cements is being distributed. He is thinking he will distribute the same way. So you can say building material, paint and cement is the same sector.
Construction. Okay.
Yeah. But this, I can understand if he had some market like Raymond's, where he is sending the top end of the market. If he had gone bought that company which does only wedding dresses,
Oh.
Laga, whatever is that
Vimal
called?
like that.
I forgot the name. It's a company which is selling only high-end Manyavar.
Manyavar. Yes, sir.
So if he had bought Manyavar, I can understand. From there he can go to the wedding market. But he is going from a middle class market directly to a premium segment where the trust element is very important.
Yes, sir. But he is very much confident that his retail expertise will be aiding him.
But where is the retail expertise? You shut down more.
Yes, sir.
Right.
That's what he was selling that.
And Birla today, because they broke their family into several factors,
Yes, sir.
factions does not have the trust element that Tatas have.
Tata side. Sure.
Like what Tatas have or Godrej has, the trust element is not there.
Missing over here. Yes.
Is missing. So I do not know whether he will succeed or not. Let's wait and watch.
Sure.
But it's a overcrowded market. Thank you for watching Paisa Bolta Hai. If you like this content, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any videos. And if you have already done this, like and share this video with your friends. Once again, thank you for your supporting Paisa Bolta Hai.